Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a review slash tutorial on this new wig brand that I am working with. Now I've worked with a lot, pretty much I would say all of them, but every now and again I get a new company that pops up and I'm like, oh okay, yeah, that's dope. I would love to share your hair with my subscribers. So today's wig is by Charmanti. I believe it's Charmanti or it's Charm Auntie. I hope I'm saying it right, y'all. Anyway, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is the box that it came in. Look how beautiful this is. Like, this is just so pretty. It's a thick box and then it says be bold, be beautiful, be Charmanti. So the packaging already got me, and then on the back it tells you a little bit about the brand. I'm going to be trying it on, reviewing it. This is an unboxing, me and you. I have not unboxed it before this video. I've left it where I've left it. So I'm new to this, just like you new to this. So we both new to this. So let's get right into trying this hair. I'm gonna open the box, and even in the box, it has wig care instructions like written on the box. That is just like, wow. I love it, love it, love it. So I was sent a 30 inch, and I believe this is a deep wave 30 inch. And how it is. In the box also came some lashes, appreciate that. A edge control, a edge brush, wig caps. They got me some like clips. These are so cute, like these little pin clips that came right here. And I got some nail wrap beauty stickers, which I should have used before I did this video because my nails are not done. I have not had the time to do them. You guys know I work full-time. Okay, I'm a full-time CNA. So, child, I just be working home, trying to find a good medium to actually doing some self-care stuff as my nails, you know. Anyway, but yeah, they have some nail wraps which I think is really, really pretty. Might use them. Okay. Ooh, everything just falling. So you guys know I always keep this because this is how I store my wigs until I get my $1 million wig closet, which I always say. And it will happen, child, because we manifest in this area. We manifest over here. I don't know about over there, but over here we manifest, okay? So, okay, so let's take out that. Okay, so look at the hollow of my hand. All right, so this wig has 3 clips in the front, has one here like towards the middle, so it'll be like right there. It has one on the side, which I think will go like right there. And then it has another one on the side, which will go right there. It also has a medium-sized clip in the back. And it has a strap in the back as well, a thick strap. And it also has the wig straps that come with every wig, the ones in the back. So I'm gonna clip that together. And it comes with a wig strap in the middle, so it'll be nice and snug on your head. I can already see that happening. The hair is really pretty. As you can see, it's a deep wave. Can't wait to see like what I'm gonna do with this. It's been a minute since I've had curly hair. Usually my curly wigs, I'm gonna be honest, I give to my sister because she and me are so different when it comes to wigs. Like I'm more like straight colored. She's more like curly textured. So whenever I do get curly wigs, I always end up giving them to her. So it's been, I don't remember, like it's been a while since I've worn a curly wig. So I'm excited to try this 30 inch one. Let's try it on. Ow! Yeah, that's what I get. Yeah, the strap kind of, hit me on the fingertips. How I'm doing? Ooh, hold up. Give me a minute. Hold on. I mean, it's very, very dense in the front, so we're gonna have to do some plucking, child. Yeah, because as you can see, like look at the edges. The edges is looking very, very dense. It's looking very wiggy. So we're gonna have to, pluck that. So what we're gonna do first, before I even tint the lace or anything, and I got some new tint spray to share with you guys, which I'm excited about because the other one I was buying, it just was not cutting it. I'm not buying it any longer. It literally is just not worth it. So E-band spray, no more. So I moved on to something else, and we're gonna try it today to see if it's gonna tint this white lace, because this lace is white. So first things first, it looks really dense, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pluck it, and I'll pluck it while it's on my head. You can pluck it when it's on your head. You can pluck it when it's off your head. You can do whatever you want to do, honey. So yeah, I'm just gonna clip that up. And I have my tweezers right in front of me. Always be prepared. So watch me pluck this wig, and I'll be right back.
Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch. Boss ass bitch. Boss ass.
It's been a minute since I plucked the wig. You know, every wig is different, but it's been a minute since I plucked the wig, but it's fun. I love tweaking wigs. So I plucked it. You can see it's more, you know, it doesn't look as dense as it did when I first did it. And I might pluck a little bit more, but first things first, I just want to make sure that the lace is nice and, you know, up to my ears. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace. And then after that, we will tint it. I see a white line because we are going to tint it nicely right now. So I'm going to be using Dola Hair's Lace Tint Mousse, and it's a medium brown. It's a new tint that I'm using because I used to use Eben, and I noticed that Eben, it'll work for a little bit, but then eventually your wig, it'll start fading.
Boss ass bitch. Boss ass bitch.
Okay, so it is getting on my face, but let me put on my gloves because I did have gloves. Let me see. Maybe I should have taken it off, but it says that you can put it on, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it.
Boss ass bitch. Boss ass.
So you can see it's tinted. You can't even see the lace at all, which is what makes me super happy. So this tint spray, this tint spray definitely works. Oh my goodness, Lord. Because yeah, you can't even see the fucking lace, and that's what matters the most. So look at that, that looks good. So I guess now I'm gonna glue it down so that it's nice and snug, and I'm gonna tie it with my edge tie, and then we can start styling this baby. love it. Now, it took a lot, I'm not gonna lie. You know, I think it's just because this day and age we're so used to wigs that come pre-plucked, pre-baby hair, pre-bleached, you know, everything. So, you know, I don't think that is a bad thing. I do appreciate the more older school wigs that don't come plucked and don't come bleached. But this is definitely a wig, this is definitely not a wig for beginners. I feel like this is a wig you will need to take to a hairstylist, or you will have to know how to do it yourself, because it did take a lot of work to get it like this. Tinting the lace, cutting the lace, gluing it, cutting the baby hairs, all of that stuff. The tint spray that I use, which is this one right here, it actually came out really well. You can barely see the lace. This is how the front came out. And I'm gonna show you how it looks from the back. Like I said, it's 30 inches, so she's very, very long. And my shirt she's very, very long. Okay, so this is how it looks from the back. Shout out to Charmony Hair, Charmony, I'm sorry if I'm chopping up the name. Shout out to Charmony Hair for collabing with me. I appreciate it. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. It literally took me back to my old school YouTube days when I used to be plucking the wigs and doing all of that. So I do appreciate it. It just takes a little bit of work to get it to look good, but it is very good quality though. And I love, love, love the texture, and I love the length. That is all for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.